how can you tell if your doe is ready to breed? So, this is a difficult one, but if you get it right and she happens to be in the mood at the same time that litters are a good timing thing for you, then it works out great. They don't have to be. A lot of times, like, they will, they're ready to breed, but then when you put them with the buck, they're like, I don't even know. Right? And so, especially domesticated rabbits, like, they're domestic, so we've kind of bred out a lot of the natural reproduction sort of things. Like some of them are great breeders, certain breeds are great, but French Laps or other breeds that are further from the wild version of them can just not do as well. So first off, the doe will be a little bit more on the cranky side. She might normally come up to you and want petted or whatever, but she will most often avoid you or even grumble at you sometimes. Some does will do it a little bit, and some, like this one I'm going to show you, she's like borderline unmanageable sometimes. She might even grumble at you or come and smack at the feed scoop or anything like that. So it's just hard to know sometimes, like what each doe will be different. And so you might have one, like I've had some does that are just like you really can't tell, but when you put them with the buck, they're chasing him around and they're feeling horny too. So it's just gonna depend, and you're just gonna have to try it out. Now she's always been a little bit on the feisty side anyway. But I've never allowed bad behavior. Spunky, yes, but grumpiness, no. So one of the things that you can do when you get them out is set them up, and then if they're going to be ready for a buck or that kind of attention, run your hand across their back, and then when you get right here, see they're not responding very much today, but when they will, they'll start to twitch back here, almost as if like this is where the buck would be mounting them, and so he would be kind of acting out back here. And so a lot of times they'll like twitch here, or even you will see them start to do this number on their own. So that is going to be like the prime time to try and breed them, if at all possible. Do they have to be that way? No, but it definitely will help you get the job done a lot faster. One of the other things that you can do, or they will do, is if she's in the mood, she'll chase the buck around and flirt with him, nip at him. It kind of looks like they're fighting, but they're really not